set number 4 and 5 both have full bangs, and they show you 2 ways to make a full bang. Contract D-30 allows you to practice both methods of making the full bang. The video D-30A will show you the bang for set number 4, and the video D-30B will show you the bang for set number 5. So when you're doing contract D-30 to practice, you can review the videos and watch how the bangs are made. So this particular bang is used for roller set number 4, and when you start, you need to create a V shape, a triangle in the bang area, and make sure it's centered. To do that, usually what I do is I just find the apex and divide the hair from front to back, and then I use diagonal lines from the apex to create the triangle. Once I've created the triangle, use your roller, the diameter of your roller, and we're going to start by putting a short roller in the peak of our triangle. Now when you place your rollers, make sure that you are standing off to the side of the front of your client. Don't stand behind your client, because if you stand here, you're going to end up with a roller that is indent. And these are not indent rollers, these are on base rollers. So there's our first on base, and then we're going to divide this in half, and we're going to target part and make sure our subsection is again the diameter of the roller. And we're going to make this another on base, because for roller set number 4, we want this to have some volume up in the front here. So we want to create that on base roller to get that volume. And the one right beside it, also a short roller, and also on base placement. And just let your clip, if your clip is in the way, just let it tuck into the center of your roller. And now we have a split here, so our next roller is going to be a long roller, so we have to move over slightly. So we want length of a roller here, and we're going to make this row half base. So we're going to come out at 90 degrees, and again we're still rolling forward to create the effect of that full bang, flipping on our dominant side. And then we're going to use a short. So we have short, 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 or half size, half size, half size, a long short. And again, this is a half base. And we're clipping on our dominant side. And then the last row is off base. And we're going to do a short, a long, and a short roller. So you can see how the volume of this is going to decline as it reaches onto her forehead. Now here you have to make sure that you do catch part of your base up there. So down at 45 degrees. Rolling forward. And then the last short. So this is another way to make a full bang. So if you watch video video D-30A and video D-30B, it will show you both methods of making the full bang. So just to review, we create a triangle, and once we've created that triangle, we start at the apex. We have one half size or short roller on base, then two half size or short rollers on base. So this row is on base, this row is on base. The third row is half base, and it's a long and a short roller, just so we move that, we bricklayer that parting, and then we bricklayer it again by putting a short, long, short, and this row is off base. And that is the second full bang.